gave that example. I don't know why that guy, he just, became so angry. I didn't say anything to them. That is our defense mechanism. You were asking what's defense mechanism? That is my defense mechanism, where I cannot see the fault I'm making in communication skills. Right? So we need to be aware of the impact we are having on the other people. Now, impact means maybe my tone is very strong, or maybe my body language, which is part of communication skills, is aggressive as well, right? Or the things I do or don't do that have an impact on the other person. So we need to be aware what impact we are having rather than blaming the other person. That, they are at fault. Well, we can't see whether they are at fault or not. We can only try to become more self-aware. This, criticize in private and praise in public. This is the basis of all leaders, actually. Everybody when we are in a process of development, we need to be told sometimes where we are going wrong, right? But rather than making an example, which some managers might do, we bring them in private or even with a colleague. Guys, from a psychological point of view, please remember one thing. Whenever you have to talk to somebody, do it one-on-one. Even when you're talking with your family members, you need to give feedback to somebody, do it one-on-one. Having a third person in the equation changes the communication totally, just by having another person. So criticize in private, which means take the person, whether on a personal level or on a professional level, take them on the side, and then low context with the sandwich approach, just deal with that. And we come to, of course, magic words. Magic words we were not taught. I mean, most that we could do was thank you. When our uncle, aunties brought us presents, mom and dad.
Check out this mahal here.
Yes, thank you.
Nice training venue, right? Hey guys.
It's just like in Urdu. In Urdu you say, Meherbani farma ke. Now that is Urdu of Ghalib. We don't talk like that. It's like Shakespearean language. I ask in Arabic, what is the word for please? Arju. And that is also Law Sama. Min fadlan. All that. But that is, if you see the literal translation, it means so much other than just the word please.
Good view. Okay, Talha, I'll show you some more, huh? You like it? Good deal. I think we should stop this training session and go swimming now, huh? Yeah. Check this out, man. It's a fall.
In our communication styles each and every day. And that can happen. Most frictions also occur when we don't formalize our communication. Our communication, especially youngsters who are just coming from college.
Yes, Omar, Dubai. This is Radisson SAS? Yeah.
That kind of thing. We need to unlearn those things because the corporate world is actually formal. So we get exposed. They say anybody can wear a good suit, right? Or make a very good CV. But what actually gives them away? When they speak. When we speak, all of us, it gives a look into the upbringing which was given to us. Really, it's that important. So the good news is that we can develop our communication skills.
Oh, thank you.
Provided we go through the process. Conscious competence.
Really? I'm looking younger? Okay, good.
How we behave with other departments. It also we will just briefly talk about it in little detail. Haseeb, can we have credibility factors?
Oh, sure. I was busy putting this live on Facebook right now. Everybody say hi to
Hi.
our friends on Facebook, like, you know, so everybody's watching.
Hey.
Are you guys enjoying here? Yes. Yeah? You guys want to go home or you want to stay here more? Stay? All right, okay, good deal. Chocolate for everybody. All right, say something.
Hi.
Hi. And this is MKB, our best friend over here. Arbab.
Hi.
Yeah? Hey, guys. Cross-cultural, Surf Tech, very unique organization. And like, you know, so everybody's saying hi to you. Yeah? All right, Gate. Yeah, all right, good. Thank you. And Shobha. Thank you. All right, thank you. Sorry, yeah.
So we will be discussing something called credibility factors now. What forms are credibility? What forms impression on others is determined on three factors. The credibility factor. Three factors form credibility on others. And those three things are, I'll share it with you. What you say, how you say it, and how you look. These are the three aspects which form credibility on other people. What are the three things? What you say, how you say it, and how you look. If these three add up to 100%, please write down on your pages what percentage will you give to each. What you say, how you say it, and how you look. If these three add up to 100%, please write down these numbers in this order, and I will come to you. What you say, how you say it, and how you look.